Hi everybody, welcome to Paper Wishes weekly webisodes. I'm Lene Gehrig, and today from our friends at Crafters Companion, we have this fantastic collection of Christmas stencil sets. These are sort of a mixed media group of stencils, and together they make beautiful cards like this one my friend Debbie made. It is a fantastic circle card. Look at that. Whoops, look at that. We're going to tell you all about how to make it, and if you stick around to the end of the video, you'll learn how one lucky viewer can win this card for their very own or to share with a friend in our YouTube comment contest. So all you have to do is hop on over to our YouTube page, like, comment, and subscribe, and you'll be entered to win and come play with us. All right, let's take a look at this first card that Debbie made, which is a slimline card. So this one is an 8.5 by 3.5 inches card. She used solid cardstock, and she used this beautiful template. This one is from the Feeling Festive stencil kit. And yeah, she just placed it right here. You can tell this is like a small amount of dots to the heavy amount. And then she also used beautiful Fairy Lights gold glitter paste. We're going to show you how to be working with that. And then she used the Santa and his sleigh with some beautiful brown ink right there. And then this moon, she used the circle die set, 12 circle and scallop cutting dies. She of course cut one circle and then used that same circle to cut a little arch or crescent in that, and then some beautiful dazzle stickers there. So let's take a look at the next card. So here's our giveaway card that Debbie made. So cute. I love this circle card. So what she did was she started off with some beautiful paper from Romantic Florals, and she used this one right down here. It's this beautiful pattern. It's got this gorgeous Victorian sort of brocade with the stripe. It's this beautiful beige and tan color. It's gorgeous. And then she also used the coordinating solid cardstock. She then die cut those things using her circle and scallop cutting dies. But before she did that, she attached this beautiful stencils. So this is the Christmas poinsettia large stencil, and then it comes with two different bows. Okay, and then so one of this beautiful long cascading bow, and then the shorter bow right here that Debbie put right across the center. So what we're going to do is take a look at how she applied the beautiful glitter paste in Holly and Ivy and Fairy Lights to this beautiful paper. So let's try this out. I should mention how she built the card. So she said first she went ahead and stenciled the paper, and then she die cut it because she wanted to choose the area that she had stenciled to see which one looked the best, like which area she wanted to feature, instead of just die cutting the circle and stenciling it. So she went ahead and folded over a square of the solid colored cardstock, and then die cut that square by going off the edge of it. If you can see it right there, it's flat on one edge, and that made the card. And then she die cut just a circle that wasn't scalloped right there. So let's go ahead and take our glitter paste. There's several different applicators you could use. This is called the Stencil Buddy, and it's great for once you've got your paste placed, going over it like this to spread it around. We like using this little palette knife. Debbie said she went ahead and she kind of put the green over areas like this, and then like where the holly was, just kind of placing it. And then she went back and she added gold to where the poinsettias were. Now there is going to definitely be some overlap there, and that's okay. We like that look. It's a little more interesting. All right. So we're going to do this part first, and then we're going to go over it again with a little bit of gold. So we've got our little stencil buddy. Just going to go like this and like that, and then you can go back over and add it to areas that you might have missed. With the holly, I think we've got it. Oh, there's another little bot right there, and like that, and a little bit down here. And right there. All right, now I'm going to clean this off by putting it back in the container because we don't want to waste a thing. gorgeous. And now we're going to go back and add the gold to the poinsettia area. Another thing she told me when cleaning these, I have a container of water sitting right off camera, and I'm going to immediately when I'm done with this, I'm going to drop this whole stencil right in that pan of water because I don't have time to clean it in the next few minutes, and it dries incredibly fast. So if you're going to do this and you get a little distracted and you can't clean it right away, I definitely recommend having a basin of water handy, because that way you're going to have a lot, just more longevity from your stencils. That's a big deal. You don't want to waste your money by having these stencils just caked with this glitter paste and not be able to use them again. So yeah, definitely clean your stencil right away. We've got it going right there. Palette knife is very, very helpful. Missed one little spot right there. All right, I think we got it all. All right, so now we're just going to go ahead and we're going to lift this right up. There we go. And into the water it goes. There we are. You can see how beautiful. We're just creating our own background with that glitter paste. It's just wonderful stuff. All right, so we're going to move on to the next card. All right, so let's look at this beautiful 6x6 card that Debbie made. How gorgeous is all that glitter? She used the Graceful Snowflakes collection of stencils. It has this, what I love is that you get this really large stencil area. So nice. And then you're gonna get your focal and your little border. And she used all three on this card, you guys. So she started off with this craft kind of tan cardstock like that. And then she also used this blue Miri cardstock, which is gorgeous. And we've got our little Dazzle sticker here. That is the Script Greeting Dazzles for Christmas. And she used the green one there. Beautiful. And so she covered her card, and then she went ahead and used her stencil. I'm not going to repeat that stencil process of using multiple colors because we've already done that. But she used the Holly Green, she used the Ice Dance Blue, and she also used the gold, which was the Fairy Lights. All three of those colors are working together there. Oh, you know what? I don't think she did use the green. I'm just seeing the yellow, gold, and the blue mixed. That makes green. So we've got these two colors with the gold and the blue, and I just think she did a fantastic job on this. It's absolutely gorgeous. So finally, we wanted to do one that actually doesn't use the glitter and show you, which I've completely buried this card. Here we go. Okay, this card right here where Debbie used ink pads. Isn't that pretty? Creating that background, just gorgeous. So for that, she used her Trifold Surprise cutting die to make this beautiful card, and instructions on how to make that are all featured on the back of the die there. And she used the Holly Jolly Christmas set. It's got all these beautiful shapes. So we've got our large holly and the beautiful Christmas bells, and we've got this sweet little border, which is so cute. And then she also used some red jewel border dazzles right here, and then the red jewel dazzle stickers to decorate the little holly berries and all of this. So let's show you how to use this on some white cardstock. I just wanted to show you how nice it is to use these. I think I'm going to use this big one again. Once again, we're just creating our background, and we'd like to tape it down with a little bit of low tack tape to keep everything in place. And then as far as tools go, you could use several different tools. So there's the blending brushes. They come in a set of 3 like this, and I'll link those down below. There's the round applicator tool that has the great little sponges on it. Also a great tool. And then we've also got the little sponge daubers, which are really nice for little small areas. I'm going to be using the sponge daubers here because we've got so many, like the reds and the golds and the yellows that we're all mixing. Now let's take these, and then as far as the green, we're using Holly Green ink. And we're just gonna kind of make tiny little circles, just like this, just hitting all of those holly leaves. And we have lots of control over where we're putting that green, just like that. Right, and then we're going to switch colors. Now I can just keep that and use that with this particular color ink many different times, which is so nice. We're going to do the same thing with the letterbox red. Going ahead and just getting that right there in those little spots, which is so nice. Okay, and then one right there. And then in the last one, we're going to be using the mustard color, which we can just add to all these little sort of swirly bits. And then how fun would it be to just add a little, use the palette knife and go over those swirly bits with a little bit of the fairy lights too. That would be really pretty. And even doing that same technique here on the bells, adding a little bit of the fairy lights. So pretty. And then we've got our little Dazzle greeting stickers. She used the tiny words and phrases Dazzle stickers. We also have them, you can buy these separately. And she used those together for her little greeting because they're just the right size. And of course the circle cutting die as well that we used on the other card, which I've misplaced somewhere on my desk. So you guys, this is such a great collection, and I think you could use it for so many different things. The stencils are so nice and big. I think you could use it for scrapbooking and creating your own backgrounds for lots of different paper crafts. And don't forget, this is our giveaway card. So at the very end of the video, you'll see instructions on how to participate, but it's for our YouTube channel. So the Paper Wishes YouTube channel, you want to reach that from the Paper Wishes webisode page. Just look down below the video, you'll see the little YouTube icon. If you click on it, you'll just be transported right over to our YouTube page, and you need to like, comment, and subscribe for this video to be entered into win this contest. We'll pick a winner, and then we'll let you know. Thanks for joining me today, you guys, and we'll see you in the next one.